The Orion Nebula. There are many ways to pronounce the Orion Nebula, but Orion is the only correct way. The Orion Nebula is a diffuse nebula located south in the constellation of Orion. This nebula is one of the brightest nebulae and is visible in the night sky as the middle star in Orion's sword.
The first discovery of the Orion Nebula is generally credited to the French astronomer Nicolas Claude Fabry de Hersey. On November 26, 1610, when he made a record of observing it with a refracting telescope, the nebula was independently discovered by several other prominent astronomers in the following years, including the astronomer named Johann Baptiste Clisson, who was the first to publish an observation of the nebula in 1619. He compared the center stars to comet heads, describing the center stars as rectangular, which may have been an early description of the trapezium cluster.
The Orion Nebula, also known as M42 Nebula, is estimated to be 24 light-years across. The nebula extends across a 1-degree region of the sky and includes neutral clouds of gas and dust, associations of stars, ionized volumes of gas, and reflection nebulae. It has a mass of about 2,000 times the mass of the Sun. The Orion Nebula contains a very young, open cluster known as the trapezium. The stars of the trapezium, along with many other stars, are still in their early years. The trapezium are thought to be the part of the Orion Nebula cluster which is made up of about 2,000 stars within 20 light years. 2 million years ago, this cluster was thought to be the birthplace of the runaway stars A.E. Aurigae, 53 Aritis, and Mu Columbae, which are currently moving away from the nebula at velocities greater than 100 kilometers per second.
In January of 2010, the Herschel Space Observatory reactivated its heterodome instrument for the far infrared, or HiFi, after being offline for 160 days. Each spike on the graph represents the emission of light from a specific molecule within the Orion Nebula found from the HiFi. The graph organic, such as water, sulfur dioxide, methanol, sulfur oxide, hydrogen cyanide, dimethyl ether, carbon monoxide, and formaldehyde, which are the potential precursors to enabling life such as our own here on Earth.